Every day, without even thinking about it, we place food into our mouths. An apple, a piece of candy, a handful of nuts, a plate of vegetables, a glass of water, or perhaps a sugary soda. It feels like one of the simplest actions of our daily lives, something we do automatically, something routine, something ordinary. But inside the human body, nothing about this process is simple. The moment food enters your mouth, an extraordinary chain reaction begins. Teeth press down and crush the food into smaller pieces. Saliva floods the mouth, releasing enzymes designed to break down complex molecules. Your tongue pushes the food toward the throat, beginning a journey. Deep inside your body, muscles contract in perfect coordination. Organs awaken and begin their work. Signals travel through nerves and hormones, activating systems throughout the body, and within seconds, millions of microscopic processes begin working together. Inside your stomach, powerful acids dissolve food into its chemical building blocks. Inside the small intestine, an intricate network of tiny structures absorbs nutrients into the bloodstream. From there, these nutrients travel through thousands of miles of blood vessels, delivering energy and information to every organ, every tissue, and every cell in your body. Your heart pumps, your liver processes, your pancreas regulates, your brain responds. An invisible biological symphony unfolds every time you eat. But not all foods trigger the same response. Some foods nourish your cells, strengthen your organs, support your immune system, and fuel the incredible power of your brain. These foods provide the vitamins, minerals, fibers, and healthy fats your body was designed to use. Other foods tell a very different story. They overwhelm your metabolism, flood your bloodstream with sugar, and slowly disrupt the delicate balance that keeps your body healthy. In a few minutes, we are going on a journey inside the human body, a journey most people never see. A single bite begins the process. Teeth press down, crushing the crisp flesh of an apple. Immediately, saliva floods the mouth. Enzymes begin breaking down natural sugars and carbohydrates. The apple travels down the esophagus, a muscular tunnel guiding food toward the stomach. Moments later, it arrives in a chamber filled with powerful digestive acids. The stomach churns, proteins break apart, fibers soften, nutrients begin their transformation. Soon, the mixture moves into the small intestine, the body's primary absorption center. Here, something remarkable happens. Fiber slows the release of glucose into the bloodstream. Now compare that with candy. Candy dissolves almost instantly. Refined sugar rushes through the digestive system, rapidly entering the bloodstream. Blood sugar spikes. The pancreas reacts immediately, releasing a surge of insulin. Over time, repeated spikes can strain the body's delicate metabolic balance. One food stabilizes energy, the other overwhelms it. Broccoli may appear simple, but inside the body it becomes a powerful biochemical ally. As digestion continues, vitamins and antioxidants enter the bloodstream. These molecules travel to the liver, assisting in detoxification processes. Immune cells receive vital nutrients, inflammation decreases. But now, observe what happens with French fries. Deep frying alters the chemical structure of oils. As the fries break down, excess fats enter circulation. The liver must work harder to process these molecules. Over time, high intake can increase inflammatory responses throughout the body. Water is the body's most essential nutrient. Once absorbed through the intestine, it quickly enters circulation. Within minutes, it reaches nearly every cell in the body, hydrating tissues, supporting blood flow, maintaining temperature balance. But soda tells a very different story. Along with water, it carries large amounts of refined sugar. Glucose floods the bloodstream. Once again, the pancreas must release insulin to regulate the sudden surge. Whole grains retain their natural fiber structures. As digestion occurs, carbohydrates are released gradually. Blood sugar rises slowly and predictably, but white bread has been stripped of fiber. In the digestive system, it behaves almost like sugar. Glucose levels climb rapidly, triggering a strong insulin response. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, molecules that support cardiovascular health. As these fats enter circulation, they help maintain flexible, healthy arteries. But processed cheese often contains excess sodium and additives. High sodium levels may influence blood pressure and vascular stress. Nuts provide protein, healthy fats, and minerals essential for cellular function. Chips, by contrast, often deliver refined starches, salt, and industrial oils. Fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients deeply connected to brain and heart health. These fats support neural communication and reduce inflammation. Processed meats, however, often contain preservatives and saturated fats. Over time, high consumption may influence vascular health. Refined sugar is rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream. Honey still contains sugar, but also trace enzymes and antioxidants that slightly moderate absorption. Every meal you eat triggers a cascade of biological events inside your body. Your organs respond, your bloodstream reacts, your cells adapt. The choices you make at the table echo through every system of your body. Because in the end, food is not just fuel, it is information for your biology. So the question is simple. What message will your next meal send to your body? If you enjoyed this journey inside the human body, like the video so more people can discover how their bodies really work, share it with someone who cares about their health. Leave a comment below. Which food surprised you the most? And if you want to keep exploring the incredible science happening inside your body, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more fascinating journeys into human anatomy, health, and biology. Because the more you understand your body, the better choices you can make for your life.